Okay, after 24 hours, I'm double checking like which piece needs more glue. I'll introduce one by one. Red rabbit hair belongs to the rhododendron quartz family, and this one is like a little silver rhododendron quartz with sparkling mica at the back. It's really beautiful. And this one, golden rhododendron quartz with white phantom quartz at the back. Very special. And this one, I really love this one. It's a little bit like silver and yellow rhododendron quartz inclusion with orange phantom quartz at the back. That's the orange. And this one, layers phantom quartz with many colors, and it's top clarity. And this one, it's like silver rhododendron quartz with a little bit white phantom quartz at the back. And this one, cat eye effect, a little bit copper color rhododendron quartz. And this one, blue rabbit hair, the most beautiful color. This one is green rhododendron quartz, also with orange phantom quartz right here. Yeah, I like this one. This one is a crystal in crystal, a calcite within the phantom quartz. This one, cat eye, titanium quartz. Titanium rhododendron quartz. And this one, also titanium rhododendron quartz with a little bit like pink to white phantom quartz at the side. And this one is red fire quartz with a black tourmaline quartz right here. It's really special and top clarity. This one, there are 3 crystals inside. You can see from the back, 1, 2, and 3. And a little bit phantom quartz at the side, like white, a little bit yellow, and that one is like dark purple right here. And you can find the rainbow. Crystal in crystal. It's a silver rhododendron quartz with phantom quartz. Sparkling, right? It's really unique. let's wait for another 24 hours. These are ready for sale. I will list them on DIYnotion.com.